Hello there, it's Sam here, and today I want to cover the subject of affirmations. So affirmations are of course a well-loved staple of the personal development world, but do they actually work? And what can you do to make them more effective if they do work? So some people have great success with affirmations, but many find themselves deeply frustrated by them. And that's because there's a big, often overlooked problem with them. And that is that affirmations are a statement targeting the conscious mind, and they don't directly affect the subconscious mind, which runs all of your automatic programming and controls your life. So for many of us, changing anything with affirmations is a slow process at best. And it requires a lot of force or willpower, which, well, makes most people just give up. It can even have this sort of reverse effect, a negative impact, and make things worse, because as you fail to achieve what you're affirming, then this strengthens the limiting beliefs around it. But fortunately, there are ways to get faster and better results from affirmations, and the best way that I know is through using tapping techniques such as EFT and matrix re-imprinting. And this is because these techniques enable you to directly access your subconscious mind while fully conscious, and what this does means that you can actually get both your unconscious and your conscious minds working together. And this is really important, as the biggest block to your conscious affirmations working is your subconscious mind blocking them with limiting beliefs such as I'm not good enough, or it's too dangerous for me to try that. So I'm going to run a live group tapping workshop teaching the best ways that I know using EFT tapping, among other things, best ways that I know to find and resolve the blocks that are keeping your affirmations from working for you. Now, it's a process that I've used for many years, and it's been key to me living a life that I really love, really meaningful, lots of fun, and yeah, a life that I really, really love. So I especially want to let you know that the secret to this isn't going to be what most people think of when combining tapping and affirmations. We won't just be trying to tap them in with positive thinking, repeating the affirmation and while tapping. We'll be finding the blocks and turning those obstacles that you come across into opportunities. You're going to find amazing secrets in your affirmations that are really going to help you to conjure up a life that is much more deeply aligned and enjoyable for you. So this session is happening on Thursday the 7th of September, and around this video somewhere you'll find a sign up link for it. Spaces are going to be limited because it is a live workshop, so it can be as effective as possible. So I really encourage you to join as soon as you can, and it is free, but there is also a button to make a donation as well if you're able to. And what this does is it enables me to run more free events to support everybody. So thank you very much for your attention. I'm really looking forward to seeing you at the Power Up Your Affirmation session. Bye for now.